Welcome, listeners, to another inspiring episode. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're going to tackle a subject that's both urgent and deeply personal. It's about the precious, fleeting nature of our lives and the choices we make every day. It's about the pain of discipline versus the pain of regret. You see, every moment of our lives we're faced with a choice. We can choose the path of discipline, the path that requires effort, commitment, and sometimes sacrifice. Or we can choose the path of least resistance, the path that's easy and comfortable but often leads to regret. Imagine waking up one day, years from now, and looking back at your life. What do you see? A life filled with missed opportunities, unfulfilled dreams, and what-ifs. That's the pain of regret. It's a pain that echoes through time, a constant reminder of what could have been. But it doesn't have to be this way. You have the power to change the course of your life. You have the power to choose discipline over regret. It's not an easy choice, but it's one that can transform your life. Setting your core values and priorities is the first step on this journey. These are not just words or ideas. They are the guiding principles that shape your life. They are the compass that directs your actions and decisions. But this journey is not just about setting priorities. It's about personal evolution. It's about identifying the habits that serve you and those that don't. It's about replacing the habits that hold you back with ones that propel you forward. And how do we know if we're on the right path? Well, I've got a checklist for you. It's a series of soul-searching questions that can help you assess where you're at and where you want to go. It's a mirror that reflects your life as it is, not as you wish it to be. Here are some soul-searching questions that can help you assess where you're at and where you want to go. What are my core values, and am I living in alignment with them? What are my long-term goals, and what am I doing each day to move closer to them? What are the habits that are holding me back, and what are the habits that are propelling me forward? How am I spending my time each day, and is it reflective of my priorities? Am I taking care of my physical, mental, and emotional health? What are the things that I'm most proud of in my life, and what are the things that I regret? If I could change one thing about my life, what would it be, and why haven't I made that change yet? What are the things that bring me joy, and am I making time for them? If I were to look back at my life 5 years from now, what would I want to see? Am I living my life for myself, or am I living it based on the expectations of others? These questions are not meant to be answered all at once. They are meant to be pondered over time and revisited regularly. They can serve as a guide to help you assess where you're at, where you want to go, and what changes you need to make to get there. So, my friends, let's make a pact today. Let's choose discipline over regret. Let's choose to live a life that aligns with our core values and priorities. Let's choose to continuously improve, one small step at a time. Remember, the choice is yours. The power to change your life is in your hands. And the time to act is now. Because in the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, the dreams we didn't pursue, and the life we didn't live.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.